Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 dash trim. Start by disconnecting the 12V power and clearing the center console area, then gather plastic pry tools, a small Torx driver, and a soft cloth. Work patiently from the center outward, gently prying clips free while supporting the trim so it does not flex. Keep removed screws and clips in a labeled tray to streamline reassembly later. Get comfortable and lay out your tools before you begin removing the dash trim on the Model 3. Position a soft cloth to protect surfaces, remove any loose items from the cabin, and set the seat to a comfortable working position. Confirm you have a T10 Torx driver, plastic pry tools, and a tray for hardware. These simple preparations save time and prevent accidental damage while you work steadily and confidently. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and hit like to support more hands-on tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many think about money, and it pairs well with saving on mods or upgrades. I mention it because saving on projects matters as much as doing them right. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start removal at the center lower seam and use a plastic pry tool to pop the first clip, then move left and right alternating to evenly release clips across the dash. Support the panel with your free hand to prevent sudden bends. When the panel is loose, locate and press any electrical connector release tabs to unplug them before fully removing the trim. Keep screws and clips organized for an easy reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.